Now if you just got this blimp, you wanted to change out the microphone, I'm going to show you how fast and simple that is. If you're just using this here, you pull these zippers back like that. You then open this up. Now to change out the mics, you simply rotate these out. They pop right off. You loosen the bottom parts here, these little nuts here. This whole thing slides out of the way. You take your microphone, in this case I'm using the MKH-416, and you simply slide this above where you want it to mount, and then watch where those knobs are, because you don't want this to be stuck on one of those knobs, and you then just push on it, push on it, push on it, and it does come with additional rubber bands here, so that way if they break, it has them included with it. But it's very simple. I just installed this in less than a minute, and I'm going to balance these out so they're all forward and backwards. And one of the coolest things about this, remember, is that I don't need to worry too much about where exactly is this positioned for balance. This one slides on so nicely compared to blimps of the past. Locks in place. Here we go. Locks into place. And the caps, again, on. And that's how fast you can be up and going with your Movo blimp if you've never even used one. It's that fast. And remember, you may want to balance this out. So if it's too nose heavy, you simply loosen this up here and then move it, say, more to the middle. And then from there, you find out where it's perfectly balanced. Right now it's a little tail heavy. So I'm going to loosen this up and balance, find that perfect spot where it's balanced. And the reason why you want it balanced is that if you're booming over people and you want to go back and forth between subjects, you don't want to have a lot of weight in the front or the rear, because it will kind of like wander a little bit. It's really great to have a balanced microphone, and this Movo allows it to be so. Anyways, I know I made this whole video with a lawnmower going in the background. This is DaVinci Resolve cleaning up the audio, and here's what the audio sounds like if you're listening to it without any noise processing. It's amazing how much a blimp helps you for wind noise. So I highly recommend, if you're looking for a budget blimp and a budget microphone, check out the Movo BWS1000 as well as the Sennheiser MKH-416. They're a great combination for getting some great quality audio, though it can't fix a lawnmower, so sorry about that. At the end of the day, no matter what you do, I just hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.